Namaste. Is stress breaking you? Then let us see in this video how to beat stress and anxiety. What are those 3 secrets to help you beat stress and anxiety? Hi, I am Sachin Hebar, 27-year-old working professional passionate about Ayurveda and creator of the Self Healers Hub, which is on a mission to help 100,000 working professionals live a healthier, happier and a more fulfilled life by accelerating their inner healing power through Ayurveda. Ayurveda is not just bitter medicines, but it is the integration of the body, mind and soul. So watch this video completely till the end, and I have a special announcement for people who watch this till the end. Like, comment and share this video, and if you're watching this on my YouTube, do subscribe to my channel, and if you're watching on Facebook, do like my page and like and comment in the video. Let's begin and how to break stress and anxiety. Let me open your mind up through an example of your home wardrobe. Okay, let us see how a wardrobe example or a tidying of a wardrobe can help you beat stress, and how it can help you make an analogy that you can use that tidying of the wardrobe activity to reduce stress in all your areas of your lives. Let's begin. So first and foremost is evaluate. In this mind map I have written evaluate. What is evaluate? So let us consider your wardrobe. Okay, you have different clothes. First you need to evaluate which are the clothes you're actually going to wear and which are the clothes we are lying there in the wardrobe for a long time without wearing. Which are those clothes? So similar way in stress, what are the options or the events or the incidents or the persons for causing stress to you? Gotta evaluate first. Gotta find that core, find that root. First you get that, and then start working and start writing down, okay, these are the things which are causing stress to me. You have done the half part. Yes? So now second is eliminate. Now that you've taken the hard decision to separate out the clothes in the wardrobe which you don't wear and which you wear, now you gotta make the decision to eliminate all those wardrobes, non-essentials. Yes, it is difficult if you have bought it with your money, but you're not using it, is it not? Similar way with stress. Eliminate the stress. Eliminate the incidents which are causing stress to you. If a person is causing stress or harm to you, go and talk to them. If there are events which are causing stress to you, can you plan it better? If there are incidents which are causing stress to you, drop it. If it's in the past, drop it. Make sure that in the future you handle it consciously. Make sure you eliminate that incident. Make sure you react in a different way, or better, respond in a different way. Yes? I hope this is clear. Evaluate, eliminate. So let me just write it here in your mind map so that it's clear for you. Evaluate, eliminate, and then let me bring it up for you. What is the last one? It's nothing but one second, guys. What is the last step? Evaluate, eliminate, and execute. Yes. Why execute? Because now you see what's happening is you have evaluated what are not needed in your wardrobe. You have eliminated what are not in the wardrobe. Now you have to execute. Execute means you have to repeat this process again and again and again. Because your wardrobe will keep filling. Your wardrobe will keep filling with clothes. And now again you have to go evaluate, eliminate and execute it. Execute the choice again and again. So you can beat the stress, no? So now execute choices in your life as well. How is this all connected to Ayurveda? Ayurveda also focuses on the mind. Mind also needs to be good. Then only it says the health is also good of the man. So this is why the concept of how to break stress and anxiety, because stress is hindrance to your immune system. And if you beat stress, your immune system is increased and you accelerate your inner healing power. So evaluate, eliminate and execute. These are the 3 secrets for you to beat stress and anxiety. Evaluate what are the incidents which are causing stress to you. Eliminate those incidents or plan those incidents or plan those events better, or talk to persons who are actually causing stress to you, or better respond well to those situations. And execute. Keep repeating this cycle whenever you are faced with stress and anxiety, and I bet you will beat stress and anxiety. Let's beat stress and anxiety. Thank you for watching the video until the end. I am doing a special webinar on Saturdays to reveal to you the 3 secrets to accelerate your inner healing power. Register for the webinar by clicking on the link in the description below or in the description above. Let's meet live in the webinar. I am looking forward to meet you live. Thank you. Let's meet in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay mentally healthy, beat stress. Thank you. Thank you. Take care, guys. Take care.